I wish all the best for all the participants that whatever knowledge you got it, let us apply to your field. And with this thing, once again, thankful to all who have directly or indirectly helped to conduct this FDP. So thank you. Hello.
Thank you, Dr. Bijay sir, our principal sir, for giving us this words that he has talked about, like biomedical waste and other waste generation that is the need of today. So we are very thankful that sir has motivated like anything to take this FTP, and then we have organized in a very good manner due to the motivation by him. Thank you, sir. So now I will be asking some few of the participants to give some feedback of this program. So I invite the participants uh, to give the feedback. Many participants are there who are very active during the sessions. They are also invited. Mr. Rajashekar Hiraman, are you listening?
Yeah, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yes. You can start your video so that we can see you also.
Yeah, sure, sir. Sure.
Yes.
Yes. Good evening, sir. Good evening, all the organizers and all the speakers. It was a very, very excellent session, and your speakers were, of course, I'm very small to say this thing. They were highly expertise in their fields, and we participants have gained sufficient information, sufficient knowledge, so that we can share this knowledge with our students as well as in research work. And some of the sessions were especially this thing, the membrane technology lectures were too good. They were just excellent. And
Thank you. Thank you.
And really we enjoyed being a pandemic situation and having such a this thing, FDP. Really, we are very thankful to all the organizers for organizing such a FDP on such a what is a very hot topic, that is waste technology, which the entire world is trying to find out some solution for solid waste, liquid waste, and you people are definitely contributing to their to the success. That is what I wanted to say, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your kind words and for, I think, maximum participation by you. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Now, okay, thank you. Can you hear me, Suchitra Rajput Chauhan? I invite you.
Yes, sir. Yeah, yes.
Yes,
Sir.
yes. You can give the feedback. because you are also very involved.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot for considering me an active participant. And first of all, I would like to thank Atal FDP portal and also Vodasa College and the organizing team for holding this event. And especially, I would like to mention that the talks, the number of talks, the span of talks, and the combination which you have selected. It's really appreciable. Uh, uh, I think almost all topics are covered, which we are looking for. Normally, whatever literature survey or whatever knowledge we are gaining through books or through reading literature, it's normally constrained to our own topic or to our own domain. But through such FDPs and the way you have organized it, it's really amazing. And it's we have gained a lots of knowledge. So, and especially the problems where I was stuck in my experiments. So all those doubts were clarified by the experts. So thanks a lot to the expert teams, and I'm I'm thankful to the organizers and to all the experts. And I really request you, sir, for the possible collaborations and also to share the PPTs which are not yet shared. Thank you.
Yes, yes, sure, sure. We will. I have shared maximum PPT, so one or two PPT which is not shared, I will definitely share with you.
Thank
Okay.
you. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you, madam.
And hoping to collaborate also in the field of photocatalysis.
Yes, yes, you are welcome. Our
Thank you.
Professor B.R. Shah sir is very much actively involved in the research in photocatalysis. So you can directly contact him and you can collaborate also.
Thank you, sir.
Madam,
Thank
you
you
are
so much.
always welcome for any collaboration you need in future.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Professor Shah. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you. And then another participant, Dr. P. Kanagraj. Okay, no problem. Any other participant who wants to give the feedback? Dr. Shraddha Yadav. I want to know about the training program. Therefore, I am asking everyone. Mamta Sharma. Miss Mamta Sharma, if you can hear me. Dr. Siva Durairaj. So I am asking to the participants who are very much involved during the sessions. Other participants can also. Mr. Dharmendra Jariwala from our Polytechnic Navsari.
Sir, I am audible.
Yes, yes, you are.
Myself, Dharmendra Jariwala from the Government Polytechnic, Navsari. Actually, this training is very much helpful from the research point of view. I'm also pursuing my PhD in the environmental engineering, in generally in air pollution. But whatever the concepts is given by the various experts, it is really helpful me for the students' projects and whatever our conducting at the diploma level, students can easily do the some works and fruitful results can be obtained from the various type of the projects. I am heartily congratulate to the Singh sir for giving me the opportunity to attend the particular training programs. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Professor Jariwala. If any other participant they want to say, you can. Otherwise, we'll be closing this validity function. Okay, so I am very much thankful to all the participants first, because any training program success that depends upon the participants mainly. Because the participation of them actively, not because in the online FDPs, we are not in directly face-to-face contact with you, and when we are talking when we are giving our lectures, we want that participants will interact with. So I hope that many of the participants, they have interacted very well, and they have asked the questions, they have discussed the things. So very much thankful to all the participants. I am thankful to our principal, Dr. Vijay Shah sir, who has given this responsibility to our department, and to me, our HOD, who has given the Professor UK Khare sir also, who has given me this opportunity to conduct the program. So I am thankful to Dr. Vijay Shah and Dr. UK Khare sir for giving me the opportunity. Then I am very much thankful to my team. First of all, Dr. B.R. Shah and Mr. Shivendra Jha and Mr. Ankit Patel, and for this test and attendance for that, this lab sessions, we not the lab sessions, for attending your attendance and all other things work, Professor J.P. Pandya. So all this FDP is completed, and the whole thing, the wholehearted help by my colleagues they have given. Therefore, this FDP will be, I think, completed successfully. So I am very much thankful to them. Thank you all. Thank you all the participants. Thank you. So I think now we close this session, meditative session, and one thing I want to tell you that all of you please fill the feedback form that is available to you, and that is on the online by your login. So you fill the feedback form, and the test marks will be uploaded by us. And after getting the feedback, test marks and attendance, the certificate will be generated afterwards. So I think this will be completed within 2-3 days. We will complete this, and you will get within 2 days your certificate also will be generated automatically. You can download from your login address. So that is the information that I want to say. Thank you, sir, and thank you all the participants.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much.